So this is single linked list second session, continuation of the first session. So let us go to the continuation of the first session. So in the first session we had already created from the front insertion, we had created the node. So I'll just write that particular node structure. So it was actually with data field with USN, and this was null, and memory address was 100, and this was linked. We had USN 20 with of this, and then 200. Okay, USN 20 with this, and then with this 200. Okay, so 200 and 100. So this was what we have created over there. If you remember, if you remember over here, we had created 20, 100, and with the memory address 100 and 10 and 11. So this is now, this was our first node, this was our first node. So this was our first node. So 20 and link 100 and 10 and null, memory address was 100, this was 200. This was our first node, as well as this was only a temp node. This was only a temp node. Okay, so this was itself a temp node. Now perform insertion at front of single linked list. So if you just remember the create, how we have created that single links from the front end, same function we are going to use, because we have to insert from the front, from this end itself, So what we have to do is, I'll void insert front. I need to call the function void insert front, enter the details of the student. So it will be read, you know, in the read it will go and create a temp node. Temp node with the data field. So let us read the USN 30 with the memory address 300, and this is having null. So this is insert front. So this node needs to be added to this from here. So what, just don't see the code, just check here. In case if here, if first is equal to null, no, our first is already there, so it is not equal to null. If it was no node was there, directly this whatever the first temp itself I would have made first. In case if there was no node itself, so this itself I would have made temp. Memory address of this I would have passed over here, that is 300 I would have passed over here, in case if there was no node. But in our case, first is not equal to null. What value of first is 200, so it is not equal to null. So it will go to this particular section. So if it is going to this particular section, what you have to do, you have to create a link between this and this, right? So what we can do is nothing but temp link should be connected to which, this row. So this anymore, this was not temp in the previous iteration, and while from coming from there, from the previous function, this was temp, but anymore this is not temp. Once this has been read, this is no longer temp, so this will be temp. So temp link should be connected to this. So which is that is nothing but first. So what is the first? 200. So your updated value is will be 200. So temp link will be now holding the value 200. Okay, now this link is been done. Can this, the middle node can be a first? No, this should be first. So what I should do, memory address of this temp should be assigned to first, right? So I'll just put first is equal to temp. So no need to bahad the logic, you just think how this works actually. So this is a way which way you're going to store. So first is equal to temp means 300 will be created. So this structure will be now what? It would be nothing but 30 and temp, this would be having 200, and from this 200 again it is like 100, and from this 100 it is 10 and null. So this would be 100, this would be 200, this would be 300, and this is now your first node. So that's it. I did this logic is already been explained in the first function. We have done the single linked list using the insertion at the front end itself. So same function itself, but inserting friend, how it works, I've written over here. So just you have to if you want to add a new node, what you have to do, whatever the temp link was null, right, there you update the memory address of the next node. So temp link is equal to next node was first, anymore this will not be first, this will be first, so first is equal to temp. So these two lines are very important while you're doing the insertion at the front end. Now your list, single linked list, consists of this node structure. So let us continue the perform insertion at end of SSL. Now we had what, I'll just write what we had. We had 30 memory address. I'm doing the continuation same, okay, same of previous. 30 memory address was this, and then we had 20 and memory address is 200, and this was holding memory address of next, so it was 10 memory address was 100, and this was null. First was pointing over here, so first is here 30, 200 memory address here, fine. This was the list what I brought it from here, this was the single linked list what I brought it from here. And here insertion at the end of the SSL. Now till now we did insertion at this way we did. Now I want to insert from this way. So to insert from this way also I need to read, right? I need to read. So let me read the data as 40 with USN. See, remember I'm just showing USN, but name, semester, phone number, all those fields are there. It would be difficult to show the structure how it looks of node, so that's why I've taken only with the node. So when I read next newly node, again 40, and this will be temp. Now let us keep this temp. Now before seeing to this particular code, I'm just explaining. I read this particular node. Now for this I need to attach a link back over here. So what is happening, if this is first, obviously to create a link here something should be pointing, right? So I'll create that node last is needed, okay. I just need, in case if I want to get connected over here, I need to get connected to this, I need to have some point over here. So node last, I'll tell why I'm declaring it from here, I'll tell you while in the process. So I'll declare node last is equal to first. That means what, node last is equal to first means whatever the memory address of first is allocated to last. So this will be last, this is a first. So first and last both are pointing to the single node, okay. And this is what I have read and kept it. Now this I need to attach to this particular node. We'll see what we are supposed to do. First node last is equal to first, so it was pointing over here. Enter the details of the students. I have read and kept it already. Read means it will go there and read, and the temp is here. If first is equal to null, in case I don't have any nodes over here, then directly this itself will be the first. Else what I am supposed to do, I need to find the last node, right? I need to find, that means I need to attach over here, right? So last node I need to find, that's why I'm using this particular while loop, while last link not equal to null. Now what is your last link here? Last is pointing over here, so I'll just write over here for the first while loop iteration. What is last link? While last link, what is there in last link? It is 200, right? 200. What is this? Is last, this node is last link is what, 200. So that 200 is not equal to null, whether it is true, yes it is. While 200 not equal to null, it is true. If it is true, last is equal to last link, last is equal to last link. What is last is equal to last link? What is there in last link now? 200. So now updated last will be now here 200, last will be 200. So within this actually only this single statement, okay, just remember this is a separate, within this while this is just, we are not put a bracket over here since it is a single statement. This is a single statement. Last is equal to last link, so last is equal to 200. Now last will be pointing over here, okay. Now again while loop repeats, again you will check while loop for what, again while loop. Now this was for last, now last is updated for 200, right? This you'll check for 200 link is equal to, again while last link not equal to null. What is now last is 200, and the next iteration last is 200, last is 200. What is 200's link, last link? It is 100. We'll check whether 100 is not equal to null. Yes, it is true, not equal to null. So it should be updated, last will be updated with last link. Last link, what is last link is nothing but last link is nothing but what is there in last link. Last is 200, right? So what is there in last link? 100. So last will be updated to 100. Now here it is 100. Now it is 100. Last value will be 100. So again it will come back over here. Come back over here until it reaches null. It will be doing this particular iteration. Now 100th link, what is there in 100th link? You check. 100th link is actually null. So null, I mean, what is there in 100th link? You just check. 100th link, last is updated to 100. So last is updated to 100. So what is there in 100th link? 100 link is null. Null not equal to null. So it will come out of this particular loop. Since it is nothing but it will 100 link is null. So null not equal to null. This fails. So if this fails, this will not update. So last is pointing your last was updated to this. Last is equal to 100, right? So last will be this. So it will come out of this particular iteration. Now for this last link is nothing but 100 link. I am placing the temp. Let the memory address be 4. So for this I am going to give the connection. For this last link is equal to temp means what? Last is 100th link. I am putting the value of temp 400. So that 400 is the memory address will be allocated. So this is been insertion is done, and return the first. Whichever the first node is there, this will be return the first. So this is regarding how the insertion at the end works. So I'll just repeat from here itself. So add first is equal to temp. If first is equal to null, this itself will be the first is equal to temp. Now first is over here, last is over here. What I did is while last link not equal to null. So what is last link here? 200's link. 200's link is you checked for. You actually checked for 300's link. 300's link is having what? 200. While 200 is not equal to null, yes, true. If it is not equal to null, what we have to do? Last is equal to last link. What is your last? This was last. Last is equal to last link means it is 200. So it got updated to 200. Next iteration again it will go back to the while loop. 200's link. 200's link is 100 actually. Meaning is what? This is 200 link is 100. So it is also not equal to null. True. So last is 200, right? That 200 is 200's link. So that this was for this last will be updated with last link, that is 100. So last will be getting 100. Again you will come back and check for while 100's link is not equal to null. 100 link is actually null. That will come out. So come out of this particular while loop. So last link, that is 100's link. You will put the temp. Whatever the 100's link is there, for that you will put the temp. So temp is what? 400. So here 400, and then how the chain creates, and this is being insertion at the end of the SSL, single linked list. So this is how you are going to insert at the end. So this is regarding performing insertion at the end. Now your node consists of these many items. Okay, so we'll just write the node, how many items are there. So let me write the structure over here. It is 30, and then I had 20, then I had USN 10, then after insertion at the end I got a new node, that is 40. This is null, and here it was 400. So this is 30, right? So memory address I gave 300. For this I had given 200. Let it be 100. Let it be 400. So after all doing insertion at front and insertion at end, finally I landed up with these many number of nodes. Now perform deletion at the front of single linked list. What is deletion? I need to remove this particular node. So you know, first is pointing over here. Your first is pointing over here. Okay, first is pointing over here, and what I've done is even temp I'll point it over here. Temp also I'll point. Deletion, right? No more reading. So let me point temp also over here. Why I'm using this temp I'll tell, because after deleting I need to assign again this as first node, right? That's why I'm using a temp variable. So temp also assign. So this, you know, this is the last node. This is the last node. Okay, so temp is equal to first means what? Delete friend. Temp is equal to first means what? Both temp and first both are pointing to this. If first is equal to null, that means if nothing is there, no node itself, then list is empty. In our case it is not so. In our case it is not so. My aim is what? Deletion from the friend. So that means what? I have to delete this particular node, delete this particular node, delete this particular node. So else my node, it's not null, else it will come to this printf, this statement, this part. So what it has to do, if imagine if I want to delete this particular node anymore, after I delete, first should be updated to which? This, right? This will be first. Anymore, if I want to update, first will be updated to this particular first. So what I need to do is, since that's why I use this temp, so initially I need to update first is equal to first link. First is equal to first link. If I want to make this as first is equal to first link. What is there in first link? You see what this was first. Now first is equal to first link means it is 200, so it will come and point over here. Anymore, this is first. After that, this node should be, I mean, deleted deleted elements is, I'm just printing the USN over here just for understanding which element is being deleted, right? So I've just put it the printf over here. Deleted element is percentages temp USN. That means this is deleted, this has been deleted, this node is been deleted. To just get to know, actually all the elements will be deleted, name, everything, but just we are just printing which element is been USN is been deleted. So I have printed over here temp USN, and first is equal to first link. That means anyway this should be first, right? So I will update this. Then this should be freed, I mean this should be removed. So I cannot free first. If I free first, this will happen. That's why you use this temp. So I'll free the temp, delete the previous node. Free temp is nothing but delete the previous node. Okay, got it? Now why I use temp? So in case if it was first, just first, I would say first is equal to anymore this first. Then if would have done free first, then this would be gone. So that's why I'm using this. I'm declaring this again temp over here, initializing temp over here. So what I did, what is the job for the deleting at the front? First should be updated. First should be updated. That is first is equal to first link. That is first link is 200. So first will be pointing over here. First will be pointing over here. Once first is been pointed over here, this node should be deleted. So I'm just telling free temp. Anymore this is just a temp, right? No longer it is first. So free temp. That means delete the previous first node. And whatever, in case if you want to know which node has been deleted, I want to display that particular USN, that's why I use this printf deleted element is percentages temp USN, right? So whichever is holding is temp USN. So that is regarding the temp USN. This will be printed out which has been deleted. So this is deleted, left out is only with this particular node. Let us see how to perform deletion at the end. Deletion front is clear. Let us see deletion at the end. Now in the node we deleted 30, we have 20, 10 and 40. So we have 20, 10 and 40. So this is null, this is holding 400, this is holding 100. So this is sorry, yeah, this is 200, this is 100 and this is 400. So you know this was first, okay, and this was first, and he has told this also let us keep as temp. So check over here, void delete end. What is happening? We had these many nodes, 20, 10 and 40. Okay, so here I need node last is equal to null. Node last is equal to null. I'll tell why I'm using this node last is equal to null. Okay, and then temp is equal to first, and then temp is equal to first. So temp and first both are pointing over here. So if first is equal to null, whether your first is equal to null, no, so list is empty. So in our case it is not there, so it will come over here. Else if part it will come, else if part it will come. So if else if first link is equal to null, you'll check whether your first link is equal to null. Whether your first link is equal to null. No, it is not equal to null. For example, if your first was null, I mean if your first was null, no data, both. Imagine if your first was null, then this condition, list is empty. Okay, that condition. If you had just one node like 10 and just 10 and only left out was only null instead of this, so this was your first, right? First and temp was this only. First and temp was, if your node was like first was also this only and temp was also this only. Okay, so else if first link is equal to null, for this condition I'm just showing, yes, if this was the case, if this was the case, deleted element is this percentage, whatever I'm printing this, free the first, I'm deleting this entire node, so free first, and then first is equal to null, I have to assign, that's it. So if first link is equal to null, instead of this, imagine if your node was only this single node 10 and null, what I need is deleted element, whatever the USN I wanted to print, I printed, then free the first. I freed the first means what, this node is been deleted, free first is nothing but this node is been deleted, and I'll be assigning first is equal to null. Nothing is there, just everything is null. If this was the case, if this was the case, okay. Now in our case, we have these three nodes, so it will not come to this loop, or it will not come to else if, it will directly come to this else. I mean this section it will come. So here we'll check while temp link, I'll erase this particular section, while temp link not equal to null. What is your temp now? Temp was pointing over here. What is temp link? 100. What is there in temp link? 100. While 100 not equal to null, whether it is true? Yes. While 100 not equal to null, it is true. It is true. So whatever the temp is there, initially I declare last is equal to null, right? Now I'll declare last also over here. That means while this is not equal, I'm pointing last also over here. So temp is pointing, first is pointing, last is pointing. So last is equal to temp means what? Whatever the memory address of temp is been put over here. That means here memory address is 200. Temp is pointing, first is pointing, and last is also pointing. I'm just writing in one single letter, okay? Temp, first, and last is also pointing. So last is equal to temp means 100 is last is equal to temp means what? 200. So that memory allocation is pointing. So and temp will be updated to within this loop, right? And temp will be updated to temp link. What is temp link? 100. So no longer this will be temp. Now temp will be over here. Okay, temp will be over here. Why I am doing this, I'll tell you. Until this comes to this particular node, until this temp comes to this particular node, then I can just delete this. So first will be over here itself, last will be over here itself. That's why my aim is to delete from the end, right? So I want to delete, so I cannot free the last. That's why I'm using this temp node and I'm using this last node. So initially this was temp, first, last, everything was pointing over here. So within this last is equal to temp, I came to know here temp is equal to temp link. What is temp is equal to temp? Temp is equal to temp link. What is temp link here? 100. So whatever is there in temp link, for this 100 I'm storing in this temp. So temp link is having what? 100. So that will be stored for this temp, means temp will be pointing over here. Now your temp is this. Now in the second iteration, this is first iteration of while. In the second iteration, what will be the temp link? Temp link is what? 400 not equal to null. Agree? This is your temp. So what is there in link field? 400. 400 is not equal to null. You will check. Yes, it is true. 400 is not equal to null. So if it is so, last is equal to temp. So last is equal to temp means last is equal to 100. So your updated last will no longer be over here. It will be over here. Temp will be updated to temp link. Temp will be updated to temp link. What is there in temp link? This is temp, right? Temp will be updated to this. Temp link is 400. So 400. Temp is equal to temp link, right? So this temp link is nothing but 400. So temp will be any more over here, pointing over here, pointing over here. So again while loop will come, while temp link not equal to null. What is this temp link now? It is equal to null. Agree. Now second iteration is while temp link not equal to null. What is temp link now? Null itself. This is your temp. What is there in link? Null itself. So null not equal to null fails. So it will come out of the loop and it will come over here. For this you will put last is over here, right? For this last link you will put it as null. When this condition fails, you will put last link equal to null. That means if this you put null, then this link is broken. This will update it as null, then that link is broken. I'm deleting this, right? That if you update last link is equal to null, this link is broken, this is no more left. So you will free this temp, delete the last node. So this is regarding how we are going to delete the last node. Okay, so this is performing deletion at the end of the single linked list. So we had seen all those functions, how to create a single linked list, and how to read, how to get node, how to insert friend, insert end, how to delete friend, delete end. So let us see the last regarding the main function. So you know void in choice while one. I created a single linked list. First to create a single, initially if you want to create single linked list, the first function what we had seen, second we had seen display, and then insert friend, insert end, delete friend, delete end. Enter your choice whatever you want to insert. So I'll give switch choice 1. So for create SSL it would go, then display we have display count, then insert friend, insert end, delete friend, delete end. So these are the, and in case to exit these are the written, and then in case if any invalid choice these are the invalid choice. So this is regarding the main function. So main function is same we had seen from almost all the programs. So to all these operations I have given 6 different functions with the 6 different function names. So this is regarding the main function. The execution section of this will be seen in the will shown in the code blocks. Okay, let us see the execution of the single linked list. So here the same thing, struct node, and then we had typed of struct node over there, node get node function, void read function to read the details, and create SSL we were doing the insertion from the friend, and then display the status, and then we had insert friend and insert end, then delete friend and delete end, and finally we had the main function. So same code, let us run this particular program. And so the first one is to create an SSL. So let me give the number of students as 2. Enter the details of the first student. So let me give what we have taken while tracing the program, USN 10. So enter the name, I'll give it as Sanjana, branch CSC. Enter the phone number. So students kindly give the valid inputs, phone numbers 10 digits itself, try to give 10 digits itself, 9087654321, and then enter semester as third. Enter the details of the second students, USN as 20. Enter the name Ram. Okay, enter the branch CSC and enter phone number, I'll give it as 9807654321. Enter the semester as 3, and now you display the status. So you know when I was doing create SSL, I was creating and inserting a node from the front end. So when I display, first 20 should display and then 10 should be display, and student count should be 2. So just enter the choice 2, enter. So you can see here 10, 20, Sanjana, then Ram, then it is CSC, and then phone number and semester. So this is regarding the student count. Now I've done with the creating SSL and displaying. Let me try to insert from front. What is happening insert from front? It is like create SSL only, it will insert from this end. So let me try insert at front. Let me give the USN as 30, and let me give the name as Diksha, and branch CSC. Enter the phone number again, 9889076. Okay, and semester as 3. So let me try to display again. 30 should come above this. Yes, we got 30 above the single linked list of 2 data. The student count is also 3 over here. Student count is 3. Now let me try to insert end. Insert end means after 10 the details should be added. So let me try to insert at the end. So insert at the end is 4. Let me give the USN as 40. Name as again Raksha, branch CSC, phone number is 9876501234, semester 3. So I've done with the insertion at the end. Display, you can see over here 40 has been inserted at the end. This was when I inserted from the beginning. This is inserted at the end. Student count is 4. Next, I've done with the insertion front, insertion end. Let me try to delete from the front. So when I delete from the front, this data should be deleted and from the node structure, and this should be printed. Actually, we had written for delete printf statement, we are deleted USN I wanted to print, so I wanted to know which was deleted. So 30 will be, it will tell that 30 is deleted, and while displaying this entire list, node list will not be there. So just click on the option delete end. So it would be 5, delete end. So deleted element is 30. This has been deleted, but I want to know whether it's deleted or not. So click on display. Yes, it's not there. You can see 30 is entire data of 30 bearing with USN 30 data is not there. So similarly, deleted the end. Deleted the end means this will be deleted, and student count be updated to 2 when I give deleted the end. So I gave entered 6. Entered 6. Okay, so deleted element is 40 has been deleted. Now click on display. So student count is 2. Similarly, if you want, I want to show the list, single linked list is empty, so I'll again give delete front, and again I do the display. So front is been deleted. Again I'll give delete end. So end means the 10 entire data will be deleted. So deleted element is 10. Again I'll give display. Now your student detail is null. So each operation when you do, when you create, when you insert, when you delete, whenever you do each operation, try to give the display function as well as give the valid input for this. So this is regarding the execution of single linked list in the code blocks, and regarding all the operations of the single linked list like insertion, deletion. Okay, so this is regarding the execution. Thank you.